Hello guys, this is Amit Kumar from Patna. Today we will read about IPC section 300, that is murder. Penal section is 302. Unlike culpable homicide, guys, we have the same ingredients KIL. You have to simply put these three letters into your mind. KIL. So I will explain KIL later. First of all, let us learn about murder, making comparison with culpable homicide. Both are different, murder and culpable homicide. Taking view of these two things, that is degree of intention and probability of causing death. Well guys, never forget these two things to differentiate between culpable homicide and murder. If the degree of intention is high, it will be murder. If the degree of probability of causing death is high, then again it is murder. And if low, then it will fall under culpable homicide. Let us learn it with an example. A kills B using sharp knife, while C kills D using blunt knife. Look at, A is using sharp knife. Here probability of killing, probability of death of B will be high. It will fall under murder. And here blunt knife, since C is using blunt knife, here the probability will be low. It means this example will fall under culpable homicide. Now let us explain about these three letters KIL, beginning with I. Unlike culpable homicide, I stands for the same, intention of causing death. In order to constitute the crime of murder, there must be an intention of causing death. K stands for knowledge of act done sufficiently dangerous to cause death. Here two important words are there: sufficiently dangerous. Sufficiently dangerous is not in culpable homicide. And the last but not the least, L. L stands for intention of causing bodily injury as offender knows likely to cause death. Likely word is also here in murder, but here offender clearly knows it, that the bodily injury which he was inflicting will likely to cause the death of the victim. So again guys, I will sum up saying that learn only these two words, degree of intention and probability of causing death. If intention or probability is high, it will fall under murder, and if it is low, it will be come under culpable homicide. Well, you will have many videos regarding definition of murder or definition of other section. Guys, just learn about the ingredients in such a manner that remain in your mind for more time, for longer period of time. So this is my style of learning. I will suggest you to follow my style of learning for remembering longer period of time. If anybody asking you explaining murder, you simply say kill, KIL, kill these three letters, and go on explaining. Nothing more than that. Thank you.